Very good morning to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video under this beautiful sunshine of Sunday. As this weather is changing, but India's healthcare infrastructure and the facilities, safety facilities are not changing. If I talk about the accident that happened in Jhansi last year, of which I have made a video in November, you can watch it in my YouTube channel, which was related to the Jhansi Medical College incident where 18 people got electrocuted and they were died. And again, the similar incidents have happened recently in Savai Mansingh Hospital of Jaipur, where 6 critically injured patients got died because of electrocution, because of the fire broke out due to electrocution. And reasons are same, issues are same. Why we are not taking lessons from previous such incidents or accidents? And I'm going to tell you what are the reasons why this fire is getting broke out once again and again. So the reasons are same. The firefighting appliances are not fully serviceable. Even they are not even placed at the critical points where they are required. If firefighting appliances are being placed, the staff is not well trained to use these fire equipments. The safety certificates are given by the inspectors just with a stamp on a paper. Maybe the case of bribery, what we can say. The inspections are not being properly carried out, and if they are carried out, again the certificates are given on the stamp paper. The emergency exits are logged. Fire alarms or the warning alarms are not working in the hospitals, so that there are the same issues. If I talk about the safety workers death as well in the industries, it was found that in the last 5 years, 6,500 fire incidents have happened in industries where so many safety workers got died because of lack of safety equipments, lack of firefighting appliance, lack of proper infrastructure, lack of proper emergency exit, or if there is an emergency exit, it is logged. So these are issues which we need to take care of. We want that there should not be any such incidents. But if I talk about the previous accidents in the fire hospitals, the accused were the administrators, service provider, or hospital owners. And what happened after 2 years? These people get bail. They enjoy their professional life again, as there was nothing happened in the last years. So the same continues. And who is getting affected? The poor people. Who is facing the consequences of incidents and accidents? The poor people, who is mostly dependent on these public hospitals. So the situation happening again and again. There is no surprise that such incidents happen again in one of the public hospitals in India. So there is no lesson learned. Thank you.